Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. It's me, Maximilian, and in today's video we're unboxing another package from the suppliers. This time I've got a new shoes to unbox, so let's take a look at them, let's unbox them and let's see how they look like. So, let's begin. So, as you probably know already, this is the popular Jordan 4 model in the black color. I don't know, we'll see just in a second. Wow, and here they are, Jordan 4s in a retro SE black, steel gray, white color. These are 8.5 US, 42 European, 27 centimeters, and yeah, let's take a look at them. As you can see, we've got everything on them here, such as the QR code and all the styling details. On the top we also do have this beautiful Jordan logo here on the top with this graphics, so it's really beautiful. On the sides there's nothing left, just a black box in a matte color. And yeah, let's unbox the shoes. Whoa! Merry Christmas! Wishing all your Christmas dreams come true, and good health, good luck, and happy surprises come to you and your family, our cherished customers. So yes, the Upshoe.edu does offer you a pretty good service with just sending the shoes. And as you can see, the box looks very nice. It's like a bit different than regular. You've got this nice texture, which is uneven on the top, so that's really nice, really beautiful. Let's take a look at the shoes. So here they are, our Jordan 4s in a black color. They look so beautiful, to be honest with you. I really like the design. Let's take out the other pair. Magnificent, absolutely magnificent. And here's nothing left. So here we do have our Jordan 4 steel gray white, and as you can see, this is not the leather, it's like the material texture, which is very rough, and it should be pretty sturdy in the long term, so that's nice. It's a very high quality material, and I'm not seeing any of the problem with just keeping it in the right condition. It's definitely on point when it comes to the build quality, and it's sturdy as the original ones. This on top here is the suede in the black color. As you can see, this looks very elegant and distinguished. On the back we also do have our Jordan logo, of course, and this is the strip that goes back automatically. There's quite a bit of the resistance to it when I just pull this thing back, but it's all in the right position and it's all good, so just like on the original ones. On the inside, this is how the shoes look like. Here on the side you do have this black mesh and this plasticky looking materials elements that go here on the side, just like on the original ones, and these elements that also hold the laces in place. And yeah, take a look at the stitching, take a look at the build quality. It's just really good. I see no defects. The sole is also very nice in the matte color black, and we also do have the white insole here element going around, and a grayish one here on the back. On the back we also do have our Jordan logo here and the red strip. Take a look at the pattern of the stars on the shoe, on the top of the shoe sole. I don't see any irregularity in this pattern. The stars are just really well aligned, and there's this consistency in it, so really nice. The air bubble, take a look at it on the other side, looks just nice. Take a look at the tongue of the shoes. We have our Jordan logo here, the flight. Now on the insides we also do have the Air Jordan signature here, and here we also have the QR code for the shoes and the size and every single information here. So let's take a look at it. I hope you can just see this thing well. The inside of the shoes is very comfy and warm. These Jordan 4s will definitely suit you well when there's a winter out and you want to go outside. I think these shoes will be perfect. And of course they're just the basketball shoes, so you can play basketball all day long. No problems about that. Now let's switch up to the other pair and let's take a look at the other pair and how it all looks like. So just like on the first pair, it looks the same. We do have the consistency in our patterns. There's no defects whatsoever when it comes to the alignment of the shoes, and everything looks nice. The suede here on the top looks also just very elegant. I gotta tell you this, that the color of these Jordans is very nice. I like it a lot. And yeah, just take a look at the sole and everything looks beautiful. This is how the back of the shoe looks like. This thing also bounces back as it should, no problems whatsoever about that. And here we have the black laces. The Jordan type of the logo here looks just magnificent. I like it a lot. The air bubble once again on the other pair, and the other one looks nice as well. Take a look at the quality of the sole. We don't see any of the stitching coming out. It's just the way it should be. And obviously it's also in a size 8.5 on the other pair, and it shows you the QR code and the size and everything here. Great. Let's wear them, let's test them out, let's see how they look like on my feet. Already on my feet, this is how they look like. I like it a lot. Alright people, so that will be it as for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Most importantly, don't forget about to check this website called Upshoe.edu, where you can order these shoes or any other shoes available on their site. As you can see, they offer a wide range of shoes available here on their website. You can get the Travis Scott, the Nike Dunkies, Jordan 4s of course, Jordan 1s, and many other models, so it's definitely up to you which one you would like to have. And they have a wide range of shoes to choose from, so everyone will find their own model and there's nothing to worry about. Again, thanks a lot for today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!